Good morning, traders, and welcome to BCR's morning market outlook. First up, let's have a look at the US dollar. The DXY is holding above 99 as traders continue to monitor developments surrounding US Iran negotiations and the outlook for Federal Reserve's policy rate. Rising tensions in the Middle East and expectations that the US interest rates may remain elevated have helped support the US dollar, while investors now look ahead to key US jobs data and further comments from the Federal Reserve. Next up, let's have a look at crude oil. WTI remains elevated above 90.5 per barrel after gaining around 5% at the start of June. Prices surged on concerns that Iran could further restrict access to the Strait of Hormuz after suspending communication with Washington. Although comments from President Trump suggesting talks are continuing trimmed some of the gains, the market continues to price in a geopolitical risk. Technically, support remains around the $85 region, while resistance is seen near the key $92 level and then around 94.74. Next up, let's have a look at gold. Gold has fallen back around 44.70, remaining near its lowest levels since late March. Higher oil prices and renewed tensions between the US and Iran have increased inflation concerns and reinforced expectations that central banks may keep interest rates higher for longer. Gold remains under short-term pressure while trading below its 20-day and 50-day moving averages. Although the broader uptrend remains intact above longer-term support levels. Lastly, let's have a look at the Australian dollar, which is trading near 71.60 as market sentiment remains influenced by developments in the Middle East and the strength of the US dollar. Ongoing uncertainty around a ceasefire agreement and elevated energy prices continue to support the greenback, limiting the upside for the Australian dollar. Traders will also be watching the upcoming Australian economic data for further clues on the RBA's policy outlook.